Happy Sunday everyone. Afro Carol Kitchen, if you're new here, and if you're my returning subscriber, you're most welcome. A very good morning, good evening, good afternoon to all. Depends where you are watching me from. So today is a Sunday. I'm making breakfast. This is Matooke. This is my tomatoes, onion, some carrots, which are already fried. And in my Matooke, it is frozen. It was in the freezer. Peel it if it is a lot. Keep it in the freezer. You keep watching, guys, as I'm taking you through how I make my Sunday breakfast. Also, before I forget, I have some samosas here that I'm going to make. It's a Sunday. It's healthy. So here I have my orange juice, which I'm going to make using this orange squeezer. I'm making tea. This is chocolate tea. And our Matooke is right here boiling. I've added some head of the fish. I want the soup from that head in my Matooke so that it can taste tastier and more. My orange juice is here. It is ready. I'm going to put it in a jug. I haven't added some sugar. I'm going to add some sugar. Our juice is here. Fresh orange juice. Let us cut some fruits for breakfast. Our chocolate is ready. I add chocolate normally inside in the tea. Sometimes, if I have guests, they always add for themselves. But because we are just us, I add chocolate. I also add sugar already in the tea. So let me put it in this flask. So guys, here I have my spices. I have some roiko, some black pepper, a spoon of roiko, quarter of black pepper, quarter of turmeric, and some salt to taste. Remember, because my fish already has, my Matooke has fish, sorry, so I don't need to add more spices to overpower the taste of the fish and Matooke. I want to feel that. Let me taste if the salt is enough. The salt is just perfect. Look at that. This is what you can serve your morning in the morning for Sundays, or your children. Like, you can eat this. You don't need to do lunch earlier because it is heavy breakfast. Remember, we have Matooke, we have samosa, we have juice, we have tea. Here we are having fruits. I'm cutting some fruits. I've put some watermelon and pineapple. Here is our fruits are ready. So you can see. Let me serve it. So nice, so colorful, so rainbow. This is for my juice, pomegranate, mango, and pineapple. Let us make samosas. Here we are making our samosas, guys. This one has a hole. So here is our samosa. This is the last one. Our juice, the second round is done. Pineapple, mango, pomegranate. I don't know the name of that. And I'm not an English woman. Pardon me. Another one is here. It's quite a lot. My working station is a little disorganized. So here is my breakfast, guys. It is done. Matooke, samosas, and mango juice. fruits. That's what we're having for breakfast. You're welcome. See you the other side. Our breakfast, guys. Our chocolate tea, katogo, samosas. I don't have fruits here. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell so that you'll be the first always to watch my video if I upload new videos. I love you. Happy Sunday. See you on church.